Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, welcome back to Biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Claro, Derecho. And you are still with me. My name is DJ Lala Banderas. Love, this pandemic is indeed the hardest enemy we are at war with since yung mga panahon ng colonization era. And aside from the fact that it has claimed so many lives, madami na din pong kabuhayan ang apektado. Kaya naman dahil nga Pinoy tayo, there are a lot of ways na nakikita ko online para maka-adapt tayo sa quote-unquote new normal. Unang stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng madiskarte ay ang mga kabisyo nating nagho-home cooking by bulk available for delivery. Yun! Nagsulputan na po ang mga homemade products from juices, desserts, to meal. O diba? Kaya kung meron kayong special celebration, not a problem anymore. Kung hindi ka marunong magluto, still not a problem kasi nga naman madami na pong nagde-deliver ng mga home-cooked meals. They made use of the available resources ng fast padala services para magkaroon sila ng business. Yan ang diskarte. Kaya naman guys, if you have a talent in cooking, I suggest you take advantage of the situation na maraming cravings ang Pinoy to turn that passion of cooking into profit. You can start with selling amongst your friends lang, o diba? Tapos pa-post-post lang sila sa FB na nasarapan sila sa luto ninyo hanggang matakam yung mga tao din sa timeline nila, and let their word of mouth do the advertising for you. O diba, love? It's within the comfort of your own home and it is something you love doing. So diba, sulit and smart na diskarte to earn in this situation. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo kung may talent kayo in cooking? Luto na! Parang para commercial ni Ate Shawi sa Super Fairy, sakay na! Tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating hashtag biyaheng madiskarte. Love, next stop ay yung mga kabisyo nating dahil madalas ngayon sa bahay at may time sa pag-aasikaso sa bahay, they start growing their own ingredients. Crops, root crops. Nagsimula sila sa mga kangkong, sili, kalamansi. Now they can grow their own gabi, kamatis, malunggay, and other ingredients. Guys, alam ko nga, sasabihin ng iba na wala naman kasi akong green thumb. Guys, plants are like people we love. In order to make them blossom, we need to show them some love. Some sexy, sexy love. Love, you have to take care of them. Give them time, which, by the way, madami ka to date. This way kasi, love, makakaiwas ka ng onte sa mga gastusin. Plus, you are helping out sa condition ni Mother Nature by adding greens to its soils. That's what we call win-win situation, di ba? Meron ka ng inaasahang ani for such a small price na exercise ka pa kesa nagpapalapad ka lang ng likod sa sofa, di ba? Nako, love, if you want to hear more of that diskarte, nako, keep on tuning in. At kung meron kang gustong i-share na mga diskarte tips sa ating mga kabisyo, all you have to do is go to my Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas, and post them there. But before natin na i-continue ang ating hashtag biyaheng madiskarte and ang ating diva playlist, love, we can't let 2020 finish like this. This pandemic needs to stop. So please, sumunod tayo sa utos ng barangay. Please, makinig naman tayo. Please, doble ingat, okay? Next station ng ating hashtag biyaheng madiskarte is using the tool na lagi nating ginagamit sa kalokohan into something makabuluhan, and that is the internet. Aside from the fact na madami na kasi ang nag-o-offer ngayon ng e-learning or yung tinatawag nating online courses for free, madami na din pong legit na nag-o-offer ng online jobs for part-time. Let me emphasize on the word legit, my love. Pag-aralan nyo muna yung mga site na pinipindot nyo, hindi yung click lang kayo ng click ng link. Tapos magugulat kayo may babae ng nakabra. Yan kasi click pa more. Love, learn to read reviews and guidelines. This way, my love, nagagamit mo yung oras na kinokonsume mo online into something na makapagbibigay sa'yo ng kita. Again, this is us adapting to the new normal. If you have more diskarte in life that you wanna share my way sa ating mga kabisyo din, feel free to send them over sa DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.